If your company's inbox suddenly decided normal emails are high-confidence phishing, you're not alone. Microsoft Exchange Online had a hiccup that started flagging legit messages as phish. Here is the quick breakdown. Problem, impact, fix, problem. Exchange Online protection rules went overzealous. Messages that normally pass got swept into quarantine. Phish, high-confidence phish. This isn't your users getting sloppy, it's the filter being extra. Impact, missing invoices, partner updates, internal notifications stuck in quarantine. Teams and projects slow down, customers wait, finance gets cranky. Users might start hitting release on everything, which is risky. Fix, step 1, verify the incident. If you're an admin, check Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Health Service Health for Exchange Online advisories. Knowing it's a known issue keeps you from overcorrecting. Step 2, triage the quarantine. In the security portal, go to quarantine, sort by phish, sort by high-confidence phish, spot check headers for SPF DKIM or DMARC results. If alignment passes and the sender is trusted, release and notify the recipient. Step 3, message trace and submissions. Run a trace on affected senders. Confirm the filtering verdicts. Use Submit to Microsoft on false positives. Step 4, temporary mitigations, safely. Create a short-lived mail flow rule to bypass spam filtering, only for specific verified domains or IPs with DKIM SPF pass. Time box it. Alternatively, add to the tenant allow or block list with a clear expiry and justification. Step 5, tighten the edges. Ask partners to fix their SPF, DKIM, DMARC. Make sure your own domains sign DKIM and have a sane DMARC policy. Avoid blanket allow rules. Target narrowly, monitor, then remove. Step 6, communicate. Tell users how to check quarantine, not junk. Remind them, don't click links in suspicious emails, even if just released. Open known portals directly. When Microsoft rolls out the fix, roll back your temporary bypasses. Keep monitoring the false positive rate for a few days. Bottom line, don't nuke your defenses. Confirm the outage, release what's legit, whitelist carefully, clean up after. That way, the mail keeps flowing, and the phish stays out. If this helped, save it for the next filter freakout. Stay sharp.